Never heard of him. He has a Fender Mustang bass. It's called Wedding Bells. It's the second epilogue. This town is so unforgiving. I never thought it could treat me this way. I never thought the poet in New York would be so willing. I never thought I'd say these words again. No, I never said it was alright to be seen that high. I never said it was okay to act that way, no. It's just me to be so incordial. 'Cause unlike you, I don't have a home, no. I feel like everyone's changing. I can't risk this all alone, no. Never thought it would turn out this way, oh no, baby. It's just me being me today, yeah. I never said it was alright to be seen high. I never said it was alright to act that way, no. It's just me to be so incordial. 'Cause unlike you, I don't have a home, no. When we went to bed, yeah, when we woke up early, you were close to me, baby. You were close to me, baby. And when I called your name, yeah, and when we smoked that cigarette, you were close to me, baby. You were close to me, baby. And when I met your family, and when we talked all day, yeah, you were close to me there. You were close to me, baby. And when you called my name, yeah, and when I smoked that cigarette,